Is it time to buy or sell the VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore the VOO ETF in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to overlook any critical updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 3rd of October in the year 2024, our system has ranked VOO as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 4.4. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 2.17%. This equates to an average return of 0.11% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned within a weak upward trend in the short term, and indicators suggest a potential continuation of this trend. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 9.39% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 6.71% to 12.62%. In terms of the 12-month trend, expectations point to a change of about 29.06% over the coming year, with potential returns between 22.19% and 31.01%. This equates to a projected price range of $651.49 to $698.51 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO features the headline, "A challenging day for VOO ETF on Wednesday with a decline of 0.303%. On the most recent trading day, the price of the VOO ETF decreased by 0.303%, moving from $534.78 to $533.16. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 0.675%, reaching a low of $532.59 and a high of $536.19. The price has shown variability during this period, with a loss of 0.38% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume increased by 71,000 shares on the last day, albeit with a decline in prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 3 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $1.61 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $538.76, while the lowest price was $384.62. Currently, the price stands 1.04%, or $5.60, below the 52-week high of $538.76, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Recent news suggests a mixed outlook for the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, or VOO, as we head into a significant earnings week. On the 28th of October, analysts noted that despite past challenges, the uptrend for the S&P 500 remains. However, there are concerns about the impact of rising bond yields, which are expected to dampen market activity. Futures indicate a potential decline of approximately 0.2% for the S&P 500, highlighting investor uncertainty. Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, commented on the earnings trends that may influence stock valuations, suggesting that many companies are beginning to align their earnings with elevated price-to-earnings ratios. This may create both short-term volatility and long-term investment opportunities, especially as earnings reports roll in from major companies this week. As substantial labor market data is anticipated, including critical job reports and inflation metrics, These factors could also shift market sentiment. The representation of the S&P 500 through VOO may see short-term fluctuations as investor sentiment reacts to economic reports. However, in the long term, if companies continue to show strong earnings, VOO could benefit from improved fundamentals leading to price appreciation. Overall, VOO's trajectory depends heavily on the dynamic interplay of earnings performance and macroeconomic indicators in the forthcoming days. The following signals have been identified for VOO. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, and so far it has fallen by just under 1%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased despite falling prices, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, this exchange-traded fund should be monitored more closely. Some positive signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The VOO ETF holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this results in a general buy signal for the ETF, presenting a positive outlook for the stock. If there are further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $533.43. Conversely, if there is a decline, the ETF will find support from the long-term average at approximately $527.77. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 9 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggest a buy signal from 9 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average reflects a buy signal from 38 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 52 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average shows a buy signal from 37 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 60 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 234 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $522.74. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund exhibits very controlled movements, and with strong liquidity, the associated risk is considered quite low. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $3.59, which is approximately 0.675%. In the past week, the ETF has displayed an average daily volatility of 0.696%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $533.92. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $522.74. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $516.91, reflecting a decrease of 3.05%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, which translates to minimal risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal identified from a pivot top that was established 8 days ago. Is the VOO ETF a good buy? Several indicators are currently signaling negativity, which we believe will impact its performance in the coming days and possibly weeks. However, we see today's price level as a potential buying opportunity, with an expectation that the price will rise during or by the end of this 3-month period. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 31st of October, we anticipate that VOO will open higher by 82 cents, starting at $533.98. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.